This is a really quick review of the Apeman dual Dashcam C860. It's a fantastic bit of kit with a Sony CMOS sensor, priced roughly £80 from Amazon. Really impressed with it so far, and I'll take you through it. The Dashcam comes with a front and rear camera, which is superb. The front camera supports a 128 gig micro SD card, and I would recommend that you don't buy a cheap eBay copy because they won't work. The front camera has a maximum resolution of 1520p, and the rear has a camera resolution of 1080p. When you use the two together, your front one has a resolution of 1440p. The Dashcam comes nicely packaged in a box, really well presented. Everything inside is laid out really nicely, easy to see what you get. Here you can see the main camera stowed in its box, along with a box for the rear camera, the suction mount, and all of the cables and accessories and the car charger. Inside the box you get a large USB Type-C cable to connect the front camera to the rear camera. You get a USB charging cable for the front camera to connect to your laptop to download your videos. You get a cigarette lighter, 12-volt accessory power cable for the camera. You get a tool for removing the trim in your vehicle for hiding the cables when you're installing it. You get a really good sticky pad for the rear camera and a user manual. Front camera is quite a smart looking bit of kit. It's got like a fake sort of Kevlar carbon fiber sort of appearance to it, and you can obviously see on from the picture there's a Sony sensor in the camera. This is the rear camera, which is stuck on the rear window of your car, and the lens is adjustable in position up and down to get the best view. This is the suction mount that's provided, and it really is good. It sticks to the window really hard, and it really is quite hard to get it off once it's stuck on. Well done. And this is the suction mount attached to the camera, which looks quite good. Really easy to take off and attach. This is how I've installed the camera inside my Audi car. You can see it really does look quite good. It's a good picture resolution. You can see you get the main view, and then in the corner you can have the window of the rear camera, which is good. And you can change these around to suit your preferences. This is just a little bit of footage just showing the quality of the video recording on the front camera. It's pretty good. It records in loops of about 3 minutes on my settings, I think, and it just keeps recording every 3 minutes. You can then go onto your laptop when you plug it in and download those videos should you need them for anything. It's pretty good. Not sure what it's like at night. Need to test it, and I'll probably put up another video of that, but I'm quite impressed with this so far. This is just some blurb from the manufacturer's website showing all the different functions, all pretty good. And as I said, for this price of about £80, I'm not sure you're going to be able to beat it, to be honest, without spending crazy money. I really highly recommend it. I'm probably going to buy another one for my wife's car. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, let me know. I'll try my best to answer. Otherwise, catch you later.